I just can invite you to come to DentalWorld because this is the third time I already come here, and I have to say that more I come and more I want to come. It's something that you have not to miss at least one time in your life. Hi, I'm Mr. Marco Maiolino. I'm coming from Italy, and I am one of the speakers of the aesthetic congresses. I will talk Saturday about cracks. It's a very controversial topic in the field of dentistry, also because it covers different fields of dentistry, between occlusion, between restorative, between endodontics, and between prosthetics. This will be my lecture Saturday. No, I am an aficionado of DentalWorld. I've been invited the first time in 2020, but because there was COVID, we did the event just online. After I came back in 2021, 2022, and 2023. I very like this kind of event, and I hope to come back also in the next events. Okay, what I love about DentalWorld is that, it's a very big fair, you find everything, and there is also a huge education, because you have three different halls with different topics. We have the aesthetic congress, the surgery, we have the endodontics, we have three big halls with many speakers. And I have to say that all the speakers are very interesting. So you have many things all together. You have a big venue, you have all the exhibitors in one side, you have a lot of education, all just in one pack. Budapest is a lovely city. I really love this city. It's a place where I should come beside DentalWorld just for an holiday. The city is beautiful. I love also the river crossing the city, walking around. No, it's nice. The city is very, very nice. It's the perfect mix between education and a short holiday also. I just can invite you to come to DentalWorld because this is the third time I already come here, and I have to say that more I come and more I want to come. It's something that you have not to miss at least one time in your life. So just come with us. It's my invitation.